Nudie has lived a more full life than most adult people I know.
Yeah, can you imagine holding it up?
Amazing.
People, they must have taken
Oh,
turns.
he's got to be a little heavy, right?
Yeah, you're getting a workout.
I
didn't know he was so big. I imagined him a little smaller.
I've never seen a nutria in person.
He's cute either way, though.
Oh my gosh! But good weather for Nutria
Nutria
today. For
Yes.
Nutria, you know, for Nudie, you had a great day today.
Exactly, yes. And for people too, we all enjoyed it. Yeah, the sun came out. It was beautiful in the afternoon, and we warmed up all the way to around 60 degrees. And tomorrow we're warming just a little bit more. So overall, we have a pretty pleasant pattern going that will last into tomorrow and Thursday. And then at the end of the week, we may have a few more showers in the forecast as we get another cold front, definitely in this pattern where we're warming up and then getting the cold front and warming up and getting the cold front. In this case, we are just having gotten the cold front. Our temperatures right now, 40s north and 50s south of the lake. It was cold last night, cold this morning, and we do have one more pretty chilly start tomorrow, but not a lot of wind. Our winds have definitely calmed down compared to yesterday. And again, you can see just a few of these clouds skirting over us. Otherwise, high pressure in charge. That means a quiet forecast. So tonight, mostly clear to partly cloudy. South of Lake Pontchartrain, you're looking for middle 40s, close to where we woke up this morning, except our winds will not be as strong. And if you're north of the lake, you may scrape the upper 30s. So it'll be a cold start on your Wednesday on the North Shore. Our temperatures north and south, you can see maybe somewhere around these temperatures for early tomorrow if you're waking up early right around sunrise. And then tomorrow we warm up very nicely, mostly sunny to partly cloudy day. Our winds shift and become a bit more from the east up to about 5 or 10 miles per hour. Highs about 64. Tomorrow is Ash Wednesday. It is also Valentine's Day, and this is our planner. Whether you're doing something in the morning, maybe have plans at lunch, or if you're doing something in the evening, we do have temperatures moving up into the lower 60s by lunchtime, and then by 7 p.m. we'll be back in the 50s, so kind of coolish if you have those nighttime plans. Jumping ahead to Friday, because Thursday looks nice, just a little warmer, but Friday we will start to see, this is the afternoon and then on toward the evening, a few showers starting to move in perhaps. This is with our next front. Note that Friday night, this model has a little bit more rain in store overnight, and then 7 a.m. Saturday, here's the front. It's cooler, but the rain is coming to an end during the day on Saturday. This is just one model, the GFS. I want to point out the European model has a lot less rain. So for now, I kind of split the difference between the two, and I have a near 40% rain chance, especially later in the day, maybe even at night on Friday, and then about a 40% chance on Saturday. So your weekend forecast, well, we just finished Mardi Gras, but you might already be having an eye ahead to the weekend, maybe looking for a day to relax or sleep in or kind of recover from Mardi Gras. Temperatures by Sunday will be pleasant in the 50s, so kind of cool. And our North Shore and South Shore lows will be back in the 30s to 40s. So the weekend looking pretty good. Out ahead of that or beyond that, we're looking for a bit of a warm up. Our 6 to 10 day forecast is showing above average conditions for temperatures, mainly very close to us or maybe just west. So we don't have any really huge cool down coming. Some people at this point are wondering about the last freeze. On average for New Orleans, that happens February 11th, Slidell March 3rd. But if you look at the latest on record for both those spots as well as other locations like Macomb, the last freeze has come in the past as late as the first week or so of April. So can't rule out a freeze as we get into March or even early April if you just look at the, what has happened in the past, the records. But on average, we're already just past that date for the average last freeze for New Orleans and almost there for the North Shore too. 7-day forecast showing no freeze, not expecting that. Monday, though, a week or so from now, not quite a week, we have temperatures north of the lake that might flirt with maybe some frost range. So we'll see about that. Looks like that next cool down will keep us chilly Sunday, warm us up a little bit Monday, and then Tuesday and probably much of the middle part of next week looks warm and overall pretty pleasant and quiet.